In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal account address to another country. First, make sure you're signed in to your PayPal account on a computer or in a browser, not just the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and linked payment methods. Keep this page open because everything we do starts from here. Now, look to the top right-hand corner of the page. Next to the log out option, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear is your settings button. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open your account settings. This is where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and other preferences. Inside the settings area, find the section that shows your addresses. PayPal usually displays your primary address and sometimes any additional addresses you've added. Here, you'll see an option to edit. Click on Edit next to your address details. This opens a form where you can update things like your street, city, postal code, and other parts of your address. At this point, it's important to understand a key limitation. Within this edit screen, you can only change your address within the same country your PayPal account was originally created in. For example, if your PayPal account is registered in the United States, you can update to a different address in the US, but you cannot switch the country to something else like the United Kingdom from this page. PayPal locks the country field for that account. So what if you actually need to change your PayPal address to a completely different country? In that case, you cannot simply edit the existing address. Instead, you'll need to close your current PayPal account and then create a new one registered in the country you want. To do this, go back to your profile or settings area and look for the option that says Close Your Account. Follow the steps PayPal provides to complete the closure. Once your account is closed, you can go back to the PayPal homepage and sign up for a new account. During the sign-up process, pay close attention when you select your country or region. Choose the country you want the account to be registered in. For example, if you want a UK address, but you're currently using a US account, you must close the US account first, then create a new one as a UK account, and set your UK